Hey guys, this is Kevin over at JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, please, we would greatly appreciate if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into the review now. Today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31, reference number 178274. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so right into the dial. The configuration we have here is the Roman numerals fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing, with a pink dial, just the basic Datejust structure, which is the hour markers, the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal to magnify for easy viewing of that date. So specifically, because this is a Datejust, the Datejust is a dress watch. There's numerous different dial configurations for this watch. If you like the Roman numerals but you're not feeling this pink dial that I have here, then you can also order it in the silver, blue, black, or white dial. Blue, purple, brown, or black dial. For the index hour markers, if you're looking for stick hour markers that are luminescent and in the dark, then you can get that in the silver, blue, black, white, or pink dial. And of course, more luxurious options are available if you're feeling like you need to spend a little bit more. There's also the mother of pearl dial with diamond hour markers. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. Bezel is the beautiful 18 karat white gold fluted bezel. As you can see, as I tilt the watch over in different directions, you can see it shine in different portions of that bezel. So when the sunlight hits this watch and hits that bezel, it really makes it makes it look very eye-catching, as it shines very beautifully in conjunction with the high polish on the lugs of the case, the top of the bottom of the lugs, nicely high polished to match with that to bring an overall nice shine and eye-catching look to the face of the watch itself. As we move on to the case is a 31mm case size from my index finger to my thumb here. That's 31mm in diameter, as the name says, Rolex Datejust 31. It is made out of 904L steel, which is an in-house made steel by Rolex that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it. The side of the case, nicely high polished as well. That matches with the high polish on the sides of the bracelet. And the profile of it isn't too high, so will fit in a suit cuff, dress cuffs very nicely. As I flipped it over to the other side, you can see nice high polish matching with the bracelet once more. And now we see the crown with the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself. The crown, as we move on, is a screw down twin lock double waterproofness system that is unscrewed counterclockwise as shown. And this is the standard position of the crown, which allows you to wind the watch. 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more. Simply tugging out the crown will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously by going counterclockwise as shown. You can see how easy that is just to adjust the date very quickly, very simple. And pulling the crown out to the final position, keep your eye on the seconds hand as we go ahead and stop the seconds hand. There we are, and it allows for precise time settings such as an atomic clock online, allowing you to set the time down to the exact seconds. And also in this final position, you can set the time bidirectionally however you like. Pressing the crown back in will start that seconds hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as that keeps this watch water resistance for 100 meters to 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we can see this beautiful Oyster bracelet, which is usually the sportier style bracelet. The Jubilee bracelet is also available, which is a 5-piece link bracelet that's more of a dressier version. But for now, we'll be moving on with the Oyster bracelet. Nicely, you can see those lugs high polish that match very nicely with the center of the 3-piece links. That's nicely high polished as well. That contrasts against the outer of the 3-piece links that are nicely sand finished. The sand finish and the contrast against the high polish to really bring more shine out of the high polish. As you can see, as we move through, the same patterning is on the clasp itself and on the other side of the bracelet as well. The clasp is just a simple folding oyster clasp that opens up just by simply unlatching it, as so. We're revealing these nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. So that's how the bracelet looks opened up and then closed. right, let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this beautiful Oyster case backing, just a very simple Oyster case back. The movement itself is a in-house made movement by Rolex. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's Rolex's in-house made 2235 movement that has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs, and which also gives it the superlative chronometer officially certification here at the 6 o'clock position. The functions of the movement itself is just very simple. It's just the hour, minute, and seconds hand with the instantaneous changing of the date and a stopping of the seconds hand for precise time settings. I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch, looking at a 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and be keeping time just fine. All right, now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So I'll go ahead and open this up by the folding clasp. Close that on, and there we are. So beautiful dial. That pink dial is actually called, as I forgot to mention, it's kind of a sunburst dial as well. You can see as a darker portion of the dial while the light hits it and makes it nice and reflective on the outer portions there. And if you tilt the light, you can see it sort of adjust with it as well. Overall, nice profile on the wrist. Like I said, will fit in a suit cuffs dress very nicely. The Oyster bracelet, that sportier style bracelet, looks absolutely wonderful, matching with the case as well. So if you're interested in this watch or any other watch for the lowest possible price, check out our website, JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.